Hey bestie, today I'm installing jumbo marley twist on my head by myself. Don't worry, it's not that big of a challenge because I have pre-parted my hair already. I mean, I do all my hair myself, so almost nothing is a challenge at this point. I have my crochet pin and leftover marley hair from the bubble braids that I did a few weeks ago, so I'm jumping straight into it. First, I take a strand of marley hair. Now, don't worry, it's only this tangled because it's used and I washed it literally a few hours ago. Next, I'm going to use my crochet pin to drag the marley hair through the section. After that, I'm going to braid my hair with the marley extensions. So the two marley extensions and my one twist in the middle completes three strands that I can use to make a braid. I'm going to braid about 3 to 4 times and then I'll split my natural twist into two, and along with the two strands of the marley hair, I'm going to now start making a two-strand twist. I hope all of that wasn't too confusing, but just in case it was, I'm going to explain it all again, okay? And with better visuals this time, I promise. Okay, so let's take it again. First things first, I'm preparing my strand of marley hair, right? And then I'm going to use my crochet pin to pull the marley hair across the section. Then you can see that I'm braiding like 3 to 4 times ish, maybe five, with my hair and the two strands of the marley extension, right? Then I'm going to take my natural twist and unravel it into two strands, and then put those two strands, like one strand with each strand of the marley extensions, and then I would now do a two-strand twist. Now when you're twisting this way, make sure that you watch out for the ends of your hair, because the ends of your hair can end up sticking out. And I noticed that with this particular section, my hair was actually sticking out, so I had to like go back and then twist it properly, making sure that I am consciously tucking my natural hair within the marley extensions. This way, the twist can come out super, super neat. And that's what we want. So I'm basically going to repeat that again and again and again all over my head until I get to the front. Now, as you can see here, I'm using the crochet to pull the hair across the section from left to right. Or is that from right to left? I don't know. But I prefer to do it this way instead of like from up to down, because of the way I want the twist to lay. Okay. Because the twists are jumbo, you have to pay attention to these little details so that the twist can fall in the way that you want it to fall and not be sticking up at odd angles when you are done, because you know you're not going to put this twist in hot water to lay it down. Okay, so you need to be really intentional. Now, no DIY hairstyling session is complete without having something to watch. I recently found this lady, Hannah Alonso, on YouTube. She makes anti-MLM content, and I never thought it was something I would be so interested in, but I just love the way she, expresses her opinions. And honestly, I'm learning from her because I want to start doing reaction videos in 2025. So I actually ran out of my used extension, so I had to quickly run out to get another pack. So in case you were wondering what hair these extensions are, it's the Lush Kinky Twist long, and it's 68 inches long. It's really, really soft, blends well with my like natural hair texture, and I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So that's the hair that I'm using in case you also want to, use the exact same hair that I'm using. Can you see how natural the roots are looking? And I honestly feel like it's because I'm not making the section super, super tight or super, super neat. You don't need your hairstyles to be very, very tight before they look good. Okay, please be avoiding tension. And I'm showing you guys how I'm doing the front, especially because I just want to show you how I'm leaving my edges alone, how the hair is not tight, no tension. Now, this is what you call a protective style. All right. I mean, see how it's turning out now and see what it looks like now that everything is complete. I mean, come on. All right. To make the jumbo twist even more beautiful, I'm going to be adding some wooden beads that I got from the market as well. Honestly, I couldn't tell you like where to go and get your beads. Just check like any local beauty supply store around you, anywhere that sells attachments or even any salon. Okay. As for how I put the bead, I put it in my crochet pin, hook the end of my jumbo twist, close the latch, and then transfer the bead from the pin to the twist. And then from there, I pull the bead up the twist, and voila. I'm also going to bead all the ends of the twist as well, just to complete the look. And after everything, this is what the hair is looking like. This entire hairstyle cost me 4,500 naira, and that is because of the new pack of hair that I had to go and buy. I had most of the hair already, I had the beads already, and most importantly, I know how to part, braid, and twist my own hair by myself. Now, this is your sign to go and learn how to do your own hair by yourself. So, with that being said, if you want to see how I parted my hair by myself, I did a whole tutorial video that you can easily follow along. It's very beginner friendly and you will not feel overwhelmed watching it, okay? So make sure you go check it out. See you in that video. Bye. Mwah.